Hello students, very good morning. Previous class we have done number one, two, three. Today we do number 4. In previous class we read what is an abacus and uses of an abacus. So, used for representing number, we use an abacus. Look at the abacus. Look at the abacus. This is an abacus representing a number. And how do we tell the number? Then see the abacus. This is a abacus. This abacus has 3 pipes. This abacus has 3 pipes. And first pipe is known as ones place, and second pipe is known as tens place, and third pipe is known as hundred place. Now the number of beats of each pipe represent the digit of corresponding place in the number. Look at the example. So, first pipe and ones pipe has which bits? 2 bits. Then the number is the place of ones place. So, 2 ones. In second or tens place has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits. Then 6 tens, and H place has 1 bit. The H is 100. So the number is 162. One is done for you. Similarly, we do B. In this abacus, ones place has 2 bits, and 10 place has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, and H place has 1 bit. So the number is 100 52. We write it 100 plus 5 tens plus 2 ones. Similarly, see ones place has we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits, and tens place has 3 bits, and H place has 1 bits. So the number is 100 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. 136, and the number is written 100. Similarly, 100 plus 3 tens and 6 ones. Let we see D. This abacus has ones place 5 has no bits, and tens place has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits, and H place has 1 bits. So the number is D 160. We write 100. 1 is 100 place, so we write 100. 6 is which place? Tens place, so we write 6 tens. 1 place has no bits. It is so that 0 ones. Similarly, we see E number E. This abacus has 100 place 1 bits, tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits, and ones place is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write 100, 184. We write 1 is 100 place, so and 8 is which place? 8 place. 8 is tens place, so we write it tens place, and 4 is ones place, so we write in 1 place. Similarly, F in this abacus, H plus has 1 bits, 10 plus has no bits, and 1 plus has, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number is what? 108. So we write 1 is 100 place. See the abacus. Tens place has no bits. So plus 0 tens and 8 ones. Let's see number 5. Draw beads on the abacus and represent the number. Represent number on an abacus. Let's see how we represent to this number 163. This is a 3-digit number. So we need 3 pipes in a abacus. This is a 3-digit number. So we need 3 pipes like ones place, tens place, and H place. So 1 place is which number? 3. So we draw an abacus. The number is 163. Ones place, tens place, and 100 place. We need 3 pipes. Then we put the number of bits in each pipe. Then we see 3 in which place? 1 place. So we put 3 bits in one's pipe. 1, 2, 3, and 6 is tens place. So we put 6 bits in tens place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 is 100 place. So we put 1 bit in 100 place, like this B. 114. In one place we put 4 bits, and tens place we put 1 bit because tens place has number 1. Similarly, we put 1 bit the H5. Number is 138. We put 8 bits in ones place. 6, 7, 8. 3 bits in tens place and 1 bits in H place. Number is 121. We represent in abacus. We draw 3 pipes. 1 is ones place, tens place and H place. In ones place the number is 1, so we put the pipe 1 bit. Then tens place is number 2, then we put 2 bits in tens pipe, and third is H place 1, so we put 1 bit in third place. The number is 182. We draw an abacus of 182. Similarly, we do 182. Ones place, tens place and 100 place. The ones place has 2 bits. Then T place has 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And H place has 1 bits. The number is 183. So we put the bits in the abacus. So students, you must have done number 4 and 5 in your copy at your home. Okay, bye.